breaking development. Adib is telling us about the presence of the lawyer of Gandhi family in Amethi. Less than 24 hours to file nominations. Amidst all of this, Congress's lawyer reaches the Amethi office in Uttar Pradesh, and several Congress workers are also present. Earlier, he was seen speaking to them as well. So, Adib, sources are telling us that Rahul Gandhi is ready to contest, but not from Amethi, but Rai Bareli. Now, you're saying the lawyer of the Congress party is in Amethi. What do we make of this?
Well, see, it is still not clear when Rahul Gandhi is going to contest from Rai Bareli or Amethi. But if Rahul Gandhi is to contest from Rai Bareli, his team will then move from Amethi to Rai Bareli because the team will have to purchase the nomination paper today itself. If they have to file the nominations tomorrow is the last day. So they have to purchase and complete all the formalities today itself. So it is being speculated that the team will move from here very soon. They will be heading towards DM office. They might go to Amethi office or the Rai Bareli office, where they will be purchasing nomination paper, as the team has only today, they have today's time, and in this time they have to complete all the formalities, all the legal formalities before filing the nomination. Now it will be very interesting to see who Congress is going to field, whether it will be Rahul Gandhi from Amethi or Rai Bareli. But
right,
if
so you're saying till they buy the nomination papers, the speculation will continue. Sources suggesting he may contest from Rai Bareli and not Amethi. Meanwhile, a Gandhi family lawyer is in the Amethi office of the Congress party. There are other workers as well. Amidst all this, we have some reactions coming in as well. Adib and Niyamika, stay on with us. Congress leader Deepak Singh says that people of Amethi want either Rahul or Priyanka to contest. Singh also said that preparations have been made and tomorrow at 11 a.m. the nomination will be filed. But who is going to file the nomination is not clear.
पूरी तैयारी है. कल 11 बजे कांग्रेस पार्टी नॉमिनेशन करेगी.
मतलब राहुल या फिर प्रियंका जी आ रहे हैं, ये तय है ना?
देखिए, ये अमेठी के लोगों की भावना है. हमारी भी इच्छा है राहुल जी लड़े या प्रियंका जी लड़े. हम सब चाहते हैं राहुल जी या प्रियंका जी लड़े, और हमें भरोसा है कि हमारी भरोसे पर, अमेठी के लोगों के भरोसे पर आज मुहर लगेगी.
Niyamika is with us. Interesting turn of events, Niyamika. Congress leaders, they're saying tomorrow at 11 nomination will be filed. Either they don't know who's going to file the nomination or they're not revealing anything as of now.
That's right, as the suspense is continuing. No official announcement is being made by the Congress party regarding the candidatures from Amethi and Rai Bareli, and that's the reason why even the workers and the leaders at the ground level are not really happy with this, because they are also saying that the people are questioning that who is going to contest from the seats of Amethi and Rai Bareli. Continuously a demand was being raised, and that's the reason why all the preparations are also being done in both of these constituencies. They are still hopeful that Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will file their nomination from the seats of Amethi and Rai Bareli. However, as per the sources, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is unlikely to contest in these Lok Sabha elections, because firstly, it is very late on the part of the Congress party, and secondly, it's she is having a lot of responsibilities of the campaigning of the party, because after Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi, the highest number of rallies which is being done by the Congress leader is of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, and that's the reason why she wants to focus on the pan-India campaign of the Congress party. On the other side, now after yesterday night late night development, now it is being told to us that even not just the Congress leadership but also their alliance partner Samajwadi Party has also appealed to the Congress party that they should field Rahul Gandhi from either from the seat of Amethi or Rai Bareli, because it will be beneficial for the India alliance. Because
all right, Niyamika and Adib, for the moment, thank you for getting us those details on this mega scoop on who's going to contest from Amethi and Rai Bareli.